It's summertime, it's often hot, but it's still a fabulous time to be out in the garden. Here are some ideas on how to keep your backyard beautiful in New South Wales and the ACT. We've got a great range of trees and shrubs that could be perfect for your garden. Some of my favourite natives are callistemons and grevilleas. They put on a fantastic display with their foliage and their flowers and are really good bird attractants. You could also plant crepe myrtle and think about some climbers such as mandevilla. Take a look at our annuals and perennials such as begonias, geraniums, impatiens, marigolds and petunias. Your garden could be exploding with colour. Why not save money by growing your own food? There's a whole range of edibles that can be planted now. Beans, lettuce, corn and lots of different herbs. If you want advice about what to get, pop into the store and one of us will be more than happy to help you. And don't forget about our Perfect Plant Promise. All our plants are guaranteed for 12 months with the exception of seedlings. If you are not 100% happy with your plants, return them with your receipt and we'll happily refund your money. It's a good time to harvest your summer crop, such as tomatoes, zucchini, cucumber, radish, and don't forget the strawberries, which are really ripening up well now, and you need to get into them before the birds do. If you've got a Christmas bush, give it a prune, and if you've got agapanthus, now would be the time to remove the flowers to stop them spreading. Pinch off dead flowers so the new ones can grow, and cut back overgrown shrubs. Different plants need different kinds of fertilisers. Azaleas, camellias and blueberries are acid-loving plants, so make sure you pick the right one. And of course, keep your garden refreshed with water. First thing in the morning is the best time. It's a good idea to use a wetting agent to give your garden and turf a helping hand in dry weather. Your garden should be looking great after all your hard work, so get out and enjoy it. Come and have a chat with the garden experts at your local Bunnings and come and check out the great range of plants we have available for you. Click here for more gardening advice and click here to go to our website